During our consultations, a very popular technique that a lot of guests come into Plentiful Hair Studio that they've utilized to conceal or use as a hair replacement method is the quick weave. So I wanted to make a quick video talking about the difference between a quick weave and a cranial prosthesis. The quick weave is a method in which they glue wefted hair extensions onto a stocking cap or a dome cap. This normally is very custom service, like it has to be on your head. Glue the tracks on. It could be long hair, it can be short hair. Quick weaves look super jazzy. They could be cute little pixies. They could be very long, voluminous hairstyles, but they do offer a very temporary solution, right? So one of the main things that would make someone not do a quick weave and go into a cranial prosthesis is, number one, a cranial prosthesis is an extended wear attachment. And when I say that, that means it stays attached for 4 to 6 weeks before you need any form of maintenance. You can also shampoo and shower in your cranial prosthesis. Your cranial prosthesis will also give you a natural looking part. The quick weave, you can have a closure piece or a frontal on the top of your quick weave, and it will give you a very natural scalp-like appearance. But with a cranial prosthesis, you can normally part it from front to back. It gives very much a scalpy look. So that's some of the benefits of a cranial prosthesis. Also, a lot of the times with a quick weave, you cannot reuse the hair. The good thing about a cranial prosthesis is these pieces last normally 6 months to a year. So that is one of the benefits of it. Now, the quick weave in general uses a black latex-like glue. Sometimes you can use the white glue. But a cranial prosthesis does use a medical grade adhesive, and they've been tested and tried and true for many years, as well as the quick weave glue. However, it does offer a more extended wear attachment. Like I said, swim in the shower, no running from the rain in a cranial prosthesis. So though the quick weave is a beautiful style, there is benefits to transitioning from a quick weave to a traditional cranial prosthesis. My name is Maisha, Plentiful Hair Studio. Thank you for watching our video.